So in this question, we need to find the smallest positive root of this equation correct to 3 decimal places using Newton Raphson method. Okay, so let's begin. We are giving the equation x cube minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. So firstly, we need to find out the values of a and b. That will be the interval a and b such that FA and FB have opposite signs. Now, if I take A is equals to 0, let's find out what will be f of 0. This will be 0 minus 0 plus 3, which will be 3. Okay, if I take A is equals to 1, let's find out what will be f1. 1 minus 5 plus 3, this will be minus of 1. Okay, we have got the values fa and fb, which are already having the opposite sign, but let me find out some more values to that will be much more closer to 0. So if I try a is equals to 0.5, let me find out what will be f of 0.5. This will be 0.5 cube minus 5 times 0.5 plus 3. Now here we can use the calculator. 0.5 cube minus 5 times 0.5 plus 3, it will become 0.625. 0.625. Now, okay, so if we take if we are taking 1 and 0.5 as the interval, so we are sure like the 0 will be between these intervals. So let's consider the interval. Let us take, let a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 0.5, because fb is positive, that is 0.625, and fa is negative, minus 1. So if we consider our very first initial approximation, so which of them is much more close to 0, 0.625 or minus 1? So 0.625 is much more closer to 0. So here we can write 0.625 is much closer to 0. So our initial approximation will be 0.625. हमारा इनिशियल अप्रोक्सीमेशन होगा 0.625. Now here, now we can apply the Newton Raphson formula to get the next approximation. So what is the formula of Newton Raphson? The formula of Newton Raphson is x times n plus xn plus 1 is equals to xn minus fxn upon f dash xn. So we need to find out our first approximation. So let's find out x1 is equals to x0 minus fx0 minus f dash of x0, and what is our x0? X0 is 0.625. let's try to find out. We have to calculate one more value. What was fx? Fx was x cube minus 5x plus 3, x cube minus 5x plus 3. So what will be our f dash x? We need to differentiate it with respect to x. It will be 3x square minus 5. So now we can go ahead to calculate our x1. So x1 will be here 0.625 minus f 0.625 upon f dash 0.625. So 0.625 minus, we can use the calculator here. uh, 0.625 cube minus 5 times 0.625 plus 3. This is 0.119140 625 upon 3x square. 0.625 square into 3 minus 5. Here I have got minus 4.267578125. Now 0.625 minus minus become plus 0.119140 divided by 4.267578125. So here I am getting 0.02791762. We need to do the addition. 0.625 plus 0.02791762. So here I have got 0.65291762. So if I want to find out what is the value of fx1, we can calculate. This will be 5291762 cube minus 5 times 0.65291762 plus 3. This is 0.013751675. We need to continue the process because we need to find out till 3 until we are getting at least 30 here. We have got 013, but we have to find out up to 3 correct decimal places, so we need to continue the procedure. So now I am going to find out the second approximation root. That would be my x2. X2 would be x1 minus fx1 upon f dash x1. So let me find out this one. So we have got the x1 here 0.65291762 minus f of 0.65 29176 upon we need to find out these values. 29176 minus, we need to find out this. What is our fx? X cube minus 5x plus 3. Okay, 29176 x cube minus 5x plus 3 minus 5 minus 5x plus 3. it become 0.013751675 upon, this is f dash, was f dash x is 3x square minus 5, 3x square 65291762 square 3x square minus 5. So this become minus 3.721095744. So 0.013751607.5 divided by 3.721095744. So this becomes 0.65291762 minus, here it is minus 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 will become plus 0.00369555801. 0.00369555801. So this became 0.656613201. So now we need to find out whether this is the answer or not. So what we can do is we can find out f of x2. So what was the fx? Fx was, I think, x cube minus 5x plus 3. So x cube minus 5x plus 3 was there. We can put this value of x here. So let's find out the answer. 0.656613201 cube minus 5x 16566132001 plus 3. Have I done some mistake here? X cube 0.656613201 cube minus 5x So the answer is this. 0 point 4 times 0 268, 4 times 0 268. So see, here we have got 4 times 0, so we can consider this as our answer. So the answer would be 0.6566132001. This is our answer. So we can take the 3 digits here. So for the 3 digits you can consider 0.657 can be your answer.